not incredible that we can conjure up a storm to our eyes, let the emotions collect in lowly pits to evaporate and rise, that the temperatures climb, touching ceilings in the search of an escape, until the chills of apprehension condense reaction into the shape of a teardrop? That first bring the drizzle of worry down the mountainous path, a thunderous sniffle signaling that there will be an aftermath. A sprinkle turns into a downpour at the use of an overemphasized tone, and the face floods, alarms ringing all over the caution zone. There is no relief. As lightning strikes, bearing the chaos of corrected intentions, the eyes seek the withheld warmth in cyclones of contention, but they are left to run until the cloudburst is a mere drizzle, the whirlwind inside throwing fits for a fight, only to fizzle. In the calm, there is a wait, a time to recoup as the feelings collect in lowly pits of that once hurt self. The skies clear to effect. Some joys dare to bloom until there is another tremble. The cheeks that locked in the tears and the tremors start to assemble, and we conjure up another storm. Isn't that just incredible?